Hello friends, welcome to the Ninja Trading Academy, and today we are going to analyze the Nifty, Bank Nifty and few stock for trade on the Monday. So like already we have discussed this few Nifty, we drawn these lines and all that, what was the level for that Friday. So today we can see that we have the one more new level we can add here, like as this level we can Friday we have given this was the Friday, and I was given that this was the levels, and you can see that how this return from here and then again touch this level and again it came back. So for the Monday we can find that what level could be there. Okay, so we had the this one was the our supply zone, and this will be there already because this is the major supply zone. You can see that here also we have the supply zone, and this is the demand zone. Our major demand zone is this one. So let me see what we can do, what changes we can do here. So we have this range of that, and Nifty was trending on the range on the Friday. So what could be the possibility for the Monday? So like Monday, if the market is opening on these levels, so then it will reach to this level, note it down this level, and it can go further to 760 to the 15800. Till this level it can go. If it's trading below this level, if it's opening below this level and trading down, then we can see that one level, this one is that 15591 could be the level, and then next level we can draw uh, one more level, then this could be our the second level. Okay, so note it down this point, this could be our the second level, and still if it's moving more down, then it could be the third level for that. So you can note it down this level for buying. We have the level below 15700, we can go for buy, and 15650 we can go for sell. Let's analyze the Nifty, Bank Nifty now. So Bank Nifty, this was our level for Friday, and you can see this was the Thursday, and this was the our Friday level. So I mark this as a supply zone, and you can see that from here market came down to the our next level, and also it went down to the further down for that. So what could be the next level for the Bank Nifty for the Monday? Like demand and supply zone are same, we can extend this till here, and let me okay, and then our demand zone we are increasing to till this level. Okay, if market is opening above this line, like 35399, then it can go to this level, and further it can reach to this level. Okay, and you have the levels of 35 700, and if still it's getting breakout with good volumes and all that, then it can reach to 15 35 800, 35 900, we can see that. Okay, and if it's trading below this level and opening and trading this level, then we can expect the level to reach out to this 35 100 around. And if it's getting the bullish candle from here, if you will find any bullish candle and it is returning back, then we can see that is again it can move out. And if it's giving the breakout here, breakdown to the our support level, then it can reach to the 34 942, and then next level will be 34 783. These are the level, important level, you can note it down and you can check in the live market. So for the Monday we have selected few stock as well. Let me see that which stocks are there, like Tech Mahindra. So this is the level, uh, 1022. Before that we can go for buy, and above that we can go for buy, and our first target will be 1024, then second target will be 1027, next will be 1030. These are the levels for the buying. Sell side, we can go for sell below this. Okay, what could be the level? First level will be this one, second level will be this one, and third will be this one. So these are the three levels we can go for. Sell side, this will be the level, and this could be the level, and this could be the level. For buying, this is the level, this is the level, and this is the level. Let's see the Sriram Transport. Sriram Transport also we can go if it's opening above this 1428. We can go for buy above this, and our first target will be 1040, and next will be the 1050. These are the level 1450. Sorry. And then next will be the our we can go for the sell if it's trading below this, and first level will be the 1403, and second will be 1094. So these are the level for Sriram Transport. Next we have in the SBI Life. SBI Life also we can go for buy above this level 992, and first target will be 996, and the second target will be the 1000 rupees, and below this we can go for sell 984. Below 984 we can go for sell. First level will be 980, and second level will be the 975. There are the two level for this SBI Life. Next we can see the Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank also, in the Bandhan Bank we have the above 316 we can go for buy. First level will be 18, second level will be the 20, 320. And further it's moving, then the third level will be the 322. For the sell side we have the level of below below 311 we can go for sell. First level will be the 308, second level will be the 306, and fourth level will be the 304. So these are the levels. You can mark it down, like let me mark it in the, so what I mark: first level, second level, second level, and third level. So you can mark it out. Okay, these are the important level for Monday trade. You can see that this is the Bandhan Bank, SBI Life. Also I have given Sriram Transport, Tech Mahindra, Bank Nifty and Nifty. So accordingly you can trade on the Monday, and you can find it out how useful is this for the trading and learning purpose. You can find these levels for that, and you can subscribe my channel for the next videos, like I will analyze on the market. So daily you will get that market analyze video for the next day trade, what you can do for the trade for the like Monday, what you can trade. So today what level you can trade for that. Okay, thanks for watching, and we will meet you on the next video. Thank you.